Alright, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to know any Wi-Fi password saved in your computer? So don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to do it using two CMD commands. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for the more update in the future. Alright, so let's jump right in. Alright, here I'm my computer. So we're going to open CMD command prompt. Just come down here to the search bar and tap in CMD, and you see the command prompt and run as admin. Don't just hop in it. Don't just hop in, just run as admin. Click here. Just wait a few seconds. There we go. So up here we can change the color A to get this green color. And then we're going to run these two commands. First of all, we're going to show the profiles, the network's profiles. And secondly, we're going to export the keys. So to show profiles, these the commands. Just run this command here. Show profiles. Show profile and enter. There we go. These are my profiles, my network profiles that are saved in my computer. Right? So here we're gonna write the second commands to export the keys of these profiles. So this is the commands. Just run these commands to export profile keys. Folder equals C, which is a C drive. Backslash space key equal clear. There we go. So here you can see all the keys, all the profiles and keys have been has been exported to our computer, to our C drive. So here we're gonna need to open our File Explorer and go to the C drive, open the C drive, and we'll see those files has been exported. So here you can see the profiles. If the profile files has been exported here. So you can see the profile name here, those two profiles name, and you can see it here. So what we need to do is just hop in this file by right clicking. You're gonna hop in with the notepad. Just right click and go to open with, and open with the notepad to check the key inside. Daisy. You can see the profile name here on top. There's a profile name. And when we come down here, we can see the keys. Here's the key. That's a password. That's all. Just simple like that. And this one also, we're gonna check the password. Open with the notepad. See the network, the Wi-Fi name, the profile name, and coming down here, you see the key, which is a password. So I can use this key to log in. You know what I'm saying? Yo, hope you enjoy this video, guys. Hope you enjoy. So if you enjoy this, please don't forget to like and subscribe for the more update in the future. So, all right, that was how you can find out any Wi-Fi password saving your computer. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.